Valeant Pharmaceuticals has raised its bid for Allergan, the company that makes Botox and other wrinkle smoothers. The Canadian drug maker is now offering $58.30 plus stock for each Allergan share. That could be worth more than, get this, $49 billion. That smooth a lot of wrinkles. Shares of both companies were down in today's session. Valeant by 2%, Allergan by more than 5%. Meg Terrell is on the story for us.
Valeant today raising its bid for Allergan by about $10 a share to a total of about $166 based on Valeant's closing share price yesterday. Now that offer also includes what's known as a contingent value right, or a CVR, tied to the performance of a pipeline asset of Allergan's, a drug for macular degeneration. CEO Mike Pearson spoke with us after a presentation to investors today here in New York City, saying that investors may have been looking for a higher bid, and that's why the stock went down today after the presentation.
We're expecting a much higher offer. If we had had a higher offer, then maybe this deal would have been completed more quickly. But we are going to remain financially disciplined. We believe this is a great deal for both sets of shareholders. It's what we've heard from both sets of shareholders. But my primary responsibility is to Valeant shareholders, and we're not going to overbid for this asset.
Valeant also fighting back today some claims that Allergan has been making, saying that its business model is unsustainable, that its growth is not organic but rather derived from price increases on its products, and that it doesn't know how to manage global brands like Allergan's. Now, Valeant also drew a lot of comparisons with Bausch & Lomb, one of its bigger acquisitions recently, saying that's a good model for how it would integrate Allergan. Now, the question becomes, does Valeant have to raise the bid again, or does it take the offer directly to Allergan shareholders, which could take a while? And Mike Pearson telling us today they're willing to wait. In New York, for Nightly Business Report, I'm Meg Terrell.